Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now for today's video, I'm gonna give you guys some night POVs of the G35. It's actually around 11 p.m. So we're gonna go ride at the G. The air is super cold right now, so the car should be super fun. But today I wanna showcase to you guys this new product that you guys know, my very good friend, close friend, Genzilla, the wide body Genesis Coupe. Well, he just released and launched a new product that can make your flame switch color. And for today's video, we might try out the color green. So I'm very excited. I don't even know if my G35 shoots flames. It's tuned to shoot flames. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. But we're gonna go ahead and show you the product, answer some frequently asked questions, and just show you a quick demonstration of how the product works. With that being said though, let's get started with the video. But before we go out, we gotta check the oil. Always check your oil. Yep, perfect. Cannot be any more perfect. Honestly, I shouldn't even be taking the car right now because it's 11 p.m. People are sleeping and my car is insanely loud. But I mean, I'm gonna do it for the video, guys. Can you guys please give me a thumbs up, please? We're gonna go ahead and start the car. It is gonna be so loud. I'm sorry to everybody. I don't know why I have to say this, but please click the like button, click the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. If you haven't done it, bro, we got some more G35 content for you guys, so please smash the like button. It is so loud out here, but I'll catch you guys on the road. All right, here we go, guys. Welcome back to the G35 Express. That second gear pull is scary. You guys saw the whole car wiggle. We need better tires. We need better tires. This thing pulls crazy, man. Holy shit. 400 wheel is no slouch at all, dude. Like, it's just to the point where you're like start shaking like, holy shit, am I going too fast? Like, all right guys, we just landed the spaceship. Okay, you guys saw that footage. It was absolutely insane, bro. I low-key got scared because I thought I was gonna lose control. But we're here in the car with the owner of, what was it, Dragon Breath, right? Dragon Breath, yeah. Dragon Breath, man. It sounds crazy already, but he created this product, man. It makes your flames. He's working on many different colors at the moment, but for right now, he's got the color green released. And so today, hopefully we can give you a demonstration. Hopefully my G35 can shoot flames and we can go ahead and show you that. But let's go ahead and introduce the owner and freaking answer some questions.
All right, what's up everybody? I mean, I'm pretty sure most of the people already see
me. The boy Genzilla, bro. That's
yes,
not shit.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, so there's no one different. I'm right here.
They're like, isn't that one guy?
I know, they're like what the hell? You all acting like I'm some different person.
Oh yeah, but hey, you made a product, bro. You made a product.
Most of you guys know I been shooting green flames for like 2 years, and now I feel confident in the product to release it out to you guys. I did a lot of research, and so Excuse the packaging. I have a lot of packaging still coming in the mail. Right. But this is like pretty much an example of how it will come to you. And essentially this product right here will make you shoot green flames. You line it in the exhaust tip. That's it, easy as 1, 2, 3. You just put it in the exhaust tip? Yep. And then we'll be showing you guys as well. Yeah. And literally after you do that, shoot some flames right after. It lasts on Jeff's car, he did like a full highway pass, consistent flame for almost like 15-30 minutes and revving, and it was all green. So I think on my car it lasts like 3 days if I just do like some flames here and there.
Right. And that's one application.
That's one application. This thing can do like, depending on how much you use every time, I mean, just take a good amount, and it can last you probably like 5, 6, 7 times.
And at the moment you're watching this, he's having what is it, pre-orders?
I have pre-orders going on right now, so if you guys are looking at this, you know, I know a lot of the VQ guys, they have that flame app, so hop on it. It's $35 right now. I'm also doing a giveaway, so say if you guys get on the giveaway, you guys win the giveaway, I'll refund the money, or anything will apply to your next purchase. So hop on that right now. $35.
$35.
That's shipping in the US at the moment, because I don't know about worldwide, because it's you know, still on the
like out 35 out the door.
Out the door right there with taxes and everything is already in the price.
And tell them that they can't eat the product, bro. Oh
yeah, don't eat this thing. Don't eat it. I wouldn't eat this. It's toxic.
All right guys, so that's the introduction to the product. So right now we're gonna go ahead outside right now that the G35 is freaking hot, and let's go ahead and shoot some flames and hopefully switch out. So should we show them like how it shoots flames right now and then see if it switches colors?
Sure.
All right, let's do that. All right guys, so there you guys saw the G35 officially shoots a little bit of flame, not as big as, you know, other freaking people like Genzilla, bro. He shoots freaking insane. He's a flamethrower. But we're gonna show you guys him applying the product here real quick.
And look how easy it is, man.
Yeah, so it's as easy. My exhaust is a little black, sorry.
Sorry, this one's
let me focus.
Oh yeah, this is very watery, but
so this is a little bit liquidy, but your product will be like a paste, like what, like toothpaste?
Somewhere around there, but I mean, it's helping that it's already kind of hot, so it's like melting it away essentially. But yeah, you want to just apply around. I'm putting a lot. You don't have to put this much. I use probably like 2 or 3 worth, uses, and look, there's still a ton left, and I didn't even fill it to the top for this bottle. So there's a ton in the bottle.
All right, here's with the green flames now.
All right, let me see.
Alright guys, so we shot some flames, and then out of nowhere my G35 turned off by itself. So my gas pedal, when I step on it, it feels super light. So we're thinking that it went into limp mode. So we're gonna have to figure that out here. Alright guys, so we're going back home. We're in limp mode. You guys can see the VDC, the slip, and the check engine light is on. We're gonna go home and scan the vehicle, see what's wrong with it, but it won't let me rev past 2,000 RPM, and mile per hour seems to be capped around 40 miles per hour. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly what ended up happening. I'm pretty sure it's one of the sensors, either the camshaft sensors, the crankshaft sensor. It could be a throttle body sensor, maybe. Not exactly sure what happened, but we're gonna see if we can get her back on the road for right now. But all right guys, so we made it back home safe, and we did the scan code, and we got 2 codes. We got code P0222, which has to do with the throttle body sensor, and P2135, I believe, which also has to do with the throttle body sensor. So not exactly sure how we're gonna fix it, but we'll have to Google something. Anyways guys, we're gonna leave it at that. I had a gut feeling. I had a good feeling that things were gonna go wrong. I hate shooting flames. They look cool, but I know that it's bad for the engine. So I was like, oh, I was a little nervous coming to this. Yeah, that happened. I'm gonna have to figure out, see what happens. But for now, we're gonna leave the car at that. I'm gonna be going to LA over the weekend to kind of have a family trip. So I'll take those days off. And then when we come back, we'll definitely try to fix this up so we can get this back on the road once again. Hopefully it's not no big issue. It seems like everything's coming from the throttle body or the accelerator pedal sensor maybe. So I'm gonna have to try to figure that out. I'm gonna hit the books right now, study, see what's going on. But I'll catch you guys next video. Unfortunate event today, but catch you guys next video. Stay safe, let's be positive. Catch you guys next video. Peace.